Hey foodies, today we are making an amazing and multi-purpose gravy which you can use in many more recipes. So let's check it out. Hey lovelies, this is Manisha and you are watching Simplify Your Cooking. Let's start. So basically the Indian gravy is quite famous in all over the world, and the basic gravy is quite simple and quick to make. But if you note some important points while making this gravy, it will be very easier for you to make and store it. And tada! You can store this amazing gravy for so many days if you note some important points while making it. So let's start and let's check it out the ratio. First, here I am taking 5 to 6 onions and 5 to 6 tomatoes, almost the same. I have chopped onions very roughly and just you have to grind it. Don't make any kind of paste out of it, you just have to grind them roughly. If you want to make any kind of dal tadka, even in that you can use this gravy. So it's an amazing recipe. Please note down the ingredients. So here we have crushed all our onions, and now it's time to turn on the flame. Keep the flame on low to medium, and here I am using around 4 tablespoons of oil. You have to use oil a little bit more in this recipe as we are going to store this gravy. Along with oil, add some butter. Around 3 tablespoons of butter I have used, and now it's time to add some cumin seeds. Around 1 teaspoon I have used. And now take 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. It will give an amazing flavor to this gravy. If you make any kind of dal tadka, any kind of paneer sabzi, you can use this gravy easily. So saute garlic paste very well. Now you can see the foam over the oil. Now it's time to add crushed onions. So here we have some water contained in onion paste. We have to reduce that and mix it very well. To cook it very fast and easily, you have to add salt at this stage. Add some salt as per your taste. Now mix it very well. You have to cook this onion paste around 4 to 5 minutes. You will get changes in color. You can see the oil and fat released at the sides of the pan. If you want to cook this onion paste faster, don't ever cover the lid over the onion. Now it's time to add tomato puree. So even in tomato, there is some water content. So we have to reduce this also. But before that, here I am adding some spices in it. Like 2 tablespoons of red chili, hot powder, and Kashmiri red chili powder around 3 teaspoons. Turmeric powder around 1 teaspoon. And fresh coriander powder around 2 teaspoons. Mix it so well, and whenever you make any kind of gravy or sabzi, you have to add all the spices just after tomatoes. Why? If you ask the reason, the basic and logical reason is when you add spices in any kind of gravy after tomato, spices will get proper moisture and time to cook and to mix with all other ingredients. Cook this gravy for once or twice with a lid or without lid, and then after 4 to 5 minutes, here I am adding Kitchen King masala around 4 teaspoons. This Kitchen King masala mixture is readily available in any kind of Indian store, and you can have it from there. This Kitchen King masala will help this gravy to make it like restaurant or dhaba style. At this stage, our basic gravy is almost ready to use, but to store it, we have to add 2 amazing and magical ingredients, which are like around 1 teaspoon of white vinegar and a pinch of sugar. Sugar and vinegar both will work as our preservatives, and after adding these amazing ingredients, you just have to cook it for a while, and the gravy is ready to store and make many more recipes out of it. You have to keep this masala or gravy very thick as we are going to store it. Reduce as much water as you can, and it is ready to store. You can use this masala or gravy as it is in dal tadka or any other tawa fry veggies like mixed veg tawa fry or any other recipes. But if you want to make this gravy and if you want to turn this gravy into a very smooth kind of consistency, you just have to add some soaked cashew nuts and grind this gravy along with curd or cream. You will get amazing smooth gravy which you can use in any kind of paneer butter masala or any kind of butter masala recipes. You can stuff this gravy or masala in any kind of stuffed veggies like stuffed okra or stuffed mixed veg. Now I am taking all this gravy into a bowl so that I can store it very well. I can use this gravy for long and long, and if you want this kind of recipes, do subscribe my channel if you are new here. And if you like the recipe, please hit the like button. If you have any query related to this recipe, just comment below and ask me. I will meet you very soon with one more amazing recipe. Till then, take a very good care of yourselves and bye bye.